this is Tanchika. I am going to talk about a beautiful and peaceful village called Kilathirupalakudi, which is located in the Manalakudi block. This village is known as for its natural beauty, hard-working people, and rich cultural traditions. Like many villages in Tamil Nadu, Kilathirupalakudi represents the true spirit of rural life, where people live with unity, respect nature, and preserve the traditions. Education plays a very important role in the development of any villages. In Kilathirupalakudi, the Panchayat Union Primary School is a well-known and respected government school. This school has been educating children of the village for many years. It provides basic education and helps young students build a strong foundation for their future. Many children from the village start their educational journey in this school. The teacher in the school works sincerely to guide the students. One of the most important occupations in Kilathirupalakudi is agriculture. Agriculture is not only a job for villagers, but also a way of life. Most families depend on farming for their livelihood. Another beautiful example of unity in the village is Tennamaratoppu. This is a place where many coconut trees have been planted together. The most special thing about this plantation is that it was planted by the entire village community. Every villager contributed to this effort. The Veeramakali temple is one of the most respected spiritual places in Kilathirupalakudi village. The villagers have deep faith in goddess Veeramakali. Apart from the Veeramakali temple, the village also has a beautiful Vinayaka temple near the Panchayat Union Primary School, Kilathirupalakudi. This temple also has goddess Kali. One of the most attractive features in this temple, the big statue of Lord Murugan. Kilathirupalakudi is a wonderful village that reflects the beauty of rural life. If you visit Manarkudi, please come to our Kilathirupalakudi and Panchayat Union Primary School. See you in the next amazing video. Bye.